Hey everybody, welcome back. Ugh. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry. No, I haven't been MIA. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Why can't I do this? Why can't I do this? It's been a while. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a makeup tutorial for you and I am going in with this look, which is a bronze smoky eye. I named it this because I got a new shade from MAC and it is called Bronze. So that is why I did this bronze smoky eye. I wanted to try out this color and I ended up really loving it. So if you want to see how I got this look, please stick around. Alright guys, so I already did my foundation and concealer and I did my eyebrows and I already primed my eyes with Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer in Sin. So first I'm going to go in with this shade from MAC. It's called Bronze, hence the name of the video. And I just got this it's in this little refillers circle because I have it in this. I got another shade as well, but I won't be using that one today. So I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is the one from the Naked 2 palette. And I'm just going to be tapping that all over my lid. And I'm going to stay below the crease. So this color is super pigmented, so make sure you be careful. And it's always better to just build up the color rather than just put on too much right away. So in the outer corner, I'm going to start to just sort of work it up a little bit. And you're going to have a pretty harsh line, but that's okay. We're going to go in later and fix that. Next, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Charmed, I'm sure. It's a really pretty warm brown. And I'm going to be blending out this line. So first I'm going to start off with my brush like sideways, so it's not going to be like this. It's going to be like this, so that I can blend that out. Because if I went like this, I would just create another harsh line, and I don't want that. Just go in and blend in that line, and make sure when you're in the inner corner, you want to stay low. You don't want to be up here. And then once you start to kind of blend that out, you can turn your brush. Okay, so that is how it should be looking now. I don't know how well this camera is picking up these colors. I don't know if it's my lighting or what, but it's hard to tell the difference in the camera, but you can tell the difference in person. So the brush I used to just blend that out is just a fluffy brush. I have no idea where this brush is from, but it's just a fluffier brush. And now I'm going to be taking my blending brush, so it's even fluffier. And so you can see it's still kind of a harsh line, so we're going to go in with a lighter brown. And we're going to go in with Tease from the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, which is so dirty, ew. But Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, we're going to go in with Tease. And we're going to just blend that all out. And you want to make sure not to go too high. You want to stay right in this area. You don't want to go up here right underneath your brow bone. So just be spreading those colors out to get rid of those harsh lines. All right, so after that, I'm going to be going back with that bronze shade again, and I'm just going to be reapplying that to my lid just to bring back some of that bronze shade to it. It kind of got lessened throughout all that blending. So you don't have to be precise with this at all. You're just putting that right back on there. Okay, so this next step is completely optional. I have noticed that since I have brown eyes, brown hair, brown eyebrows, when I go in with just a brown eye, it kind of all just fades in there. Like it doesn't stand out. So my favorite thing to be doing if I do any kind of brown eye is I add a little bit of a pinkish tone. So my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette is perfect for that. So I'm going to be going in with my blending brush, just literally a dab, just a little dab of Candied Peach to get some pink in there. And I'm going to be taking that right here where everything's blended up, right above my crease. So like I said, you can completely skip this. Oh my gosh, let's try that again. So like I said, you can completely skip this step if you want to. Some people don't need that extra pop, but I do just to make my eyes stand out a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with eyeliner, and I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs black eyeliner. Let's see. And I'm going to draw a pretty thick line because it will help with the smoky eye. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to take Charmed I'm Sure again. Oh my gosh. Charmed I'm Sure. And a pencil brush, and I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line. Oh my gosh, how long has that been there? What the heck? Hopefully not long. You would think I'm looking into a camera and a mirror, I would see that. But it drives me more crazy when I go in and editing and I see there was something on my face and I'm like, why? Okay, so as you can see, you don't have to be very precise with this at all. You just want to really smoke that out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with mascara. And again, I'm going to do my bottom lashes first. So, excuse my skin, it's like freaking out right now. Like this side of my face especially has just been like freaking out, and I've been getting these bumps and I'm like, why? Okay guys, so now the eyes are done, and you can leave it like this if you are doing a daytime look, or if you want it to be a little bit more dramatic for a nighttime look, you can line your bottom waterline with an eye pencil, and I'm just going to go ahead and do that for you just so I can demonstrate. So you can see the difference in drama. So here's that eye, that eye, that eye, that eye. So you can see that this eye is definitely a little bit more dramatic. I feel like my camera should have been up here the whole time. Like, it's such an awkward angle from down here. That's gonna drive me nuts during editing as well. But I'm learning. I'm learning. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with some bronzer, and I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just do the outsides of my face and my cheeks. I don't want to do anything too intense to take away from the eyes. So I'm just going to go my cheeks and do the outside of my face, around my forehead, just to give my face a little bit of color. I'm pretty pale. And this is also going to be doubling as my blush. Alright, so to finish off the look, I'm just going to go in with a nude lip color. So this is the Tarte Lip Paint, and this is in the shade Birthday Suit. Alright guys, and that is the final look. Sorry about my camera angle. I will fix it. I'm just trying out new things. You can see I'm in a new background. I kind of like this background. And I'm on the floor because there's a mirror, like a full-length mirror right here, and it kind of works. I don't know. I'm just, like I said, I'm trying out new things. I definitely going to switch up the angle of my camera next time. But here's the final look. And let me know if you guys have any suggestions for other tutorials you would like to see. And I'll see you next time.